in this part 2 we will discuss on the topic conge and meatus. Now let's move on to the topic conge. The conge has been divided onto 3, that is the superior conge, middle conge and inferior conge. The inferior conge, it is an independent bone. The middle conge is a projection from the medial surface of the ethmoid labyrinth. The superior conge is also a projection from the medial surface of the ethmoid labyrinth, but it is the smallest conge situated just above the posterior part of the middle conge. Now we will discuss on the topic meatus. There are 3 types of meatus, that is superior meatus, middle meatus and inferior meatus. The inferior meatus lies underneath the inferior conge and it is the largest of 3 meatus. Nasolacrimal duct open to at this junction on its anterior 1/3 and posterior 2/3. The opening is guarded by the lacrimal fold or Hasner's valve, which we can see here. This is the opening of the nasolacrimal duct in inferior meatus of the nose. And let's discuss on the middle meatus. And it lies underneath the middle conge and it has the following features. The first feature is the ethmoidal bulla. It is a rounded elevation produced by the underlying middle ethmoidal sinus, which is an opening at the upper margin of the bulla. And it is the opening of the frontal air sinus, which we can see here, and is in anterior part of the hiatus semilunaris. Now, the opening of anterior ethmoidal air sinus is present behind the opening of frontal air sinus, which we can see here. These both are the opening of frontal air sinus and opening of the anterior ethmoidal air sinus in frontonasal duct. Now we can see the opening of maxillary air sinus, which we can see posterior to this. This is the maxillary air sinus. Now we can discuss on the topic superior meatus. It lies below the superior conge and it is the shortest and shallowest of 3 meatus. It receives the opening of posterior ethmoidal air sinus, which we can see here. And now we can see the sphenoethmoidal recess. And this is a triangular fossa just above the superior conge. And it receives the opening of the sphenoidal air sinus, which we can see here. And this is the opening. This opening of the sphenoidal air sinus into superior meatus of the nose. And these are for part 2. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you don't like it, dislike it. And subscribe my channel so that I will get motivated to create more videos for you. And click on the bell icon and click on the all so that you will get notification on my future videos. And share this video to your friends and comment this video so that I will improve my videos for you. Thank you and we will meet soon.